not to do it. And you fit it in here. It's in here. Okay. And it goes all the way in.
See it back here though.
We're just going over the game plan, trying to figure out exactly what we're gonna do. Everything changed. And he wants to take this X out of the truck. I don't know what he. Put him back in it.
Yeah, he's gonna need something going across.
Yeah. I mean, he's gonna need something going across anyway. He needs a parachute mount. That's a little hot. Pretty cool, huh? Mm-hmm. Can you sponsor us, please? We need some more.
More batteries too.
Definitely more batteries. Perfect. One cut. I think this piston's already gonna max out. Bro, come on! No, bitch. You're probably about your shit when it comes out. Or something. Okay, we ran out of real estate. Did we?
That's it?
Yeah, that's it. Watch out, bro. No, stop right there.
Short stabbing.
Yep. That was perfect. It was just alright. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, it hasn't been mixed around, or it's dried to shit? Nah, I thought it was dry as shit.
Gotta take care of your shit, man.
This bitch is dry too.
What the
Hombre. How the fuck did they dry up? That's way too fucking. Here you go. You need to put this fucking. Oh, you don't hear this squeak, squeak. Slide it back in. So maybe a little too much anti-cheese. Right there. Right there.
11 degrees. 11%.
Alright, that's one done. Cool. How many people did it take to press out of it? All the Mexicans. Let me go up a little bit more. This bitch is cooked, that's why. It's the bushing and stuff. Go ahead. I'm like it's yeah, it's in there. It's right there. It's just this is all fucking off.
Give her the beans.
But there it goes. So as you can see, we're taking out old bushings like this. We're putting new bushings like that. It's on the floor. He's lazy. Grab it.
Was that requiring a new calculator?
Yeah. So if you buy a set, you might as well just get a set of next leaf string to get it done. And you gotta sit there, take the ones off the truck. That's all them out one time. And you get stirred at work. Oh, I'm about to say, don't put your fucking foot in there. Let it come out, right? I'm gonna shoot out and catch you right in the shin.
So that bitch is already gone.
All I need is use this. What? Not even enough. Ooh, what was that? Right there. Go ahead. Now we need the center. we can actually drop the truck and see exactly how low the bitch
Yeah,
goes.
that is give them the Carolina squat.
Hell yeah.
No, it's gonna have it. You gotta do something about the front.
Check her.
About to open up another location. Talking about
For those drops.
the drop shop.
The drops.
There we go. Brake line is.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
And this just goes.
Oil system's pretty much done. So the oil filter relocation kit's pretty much situated. Drain for the turbo is pretty much done. I'm actually doing a feed right now. That's pretty much done. I'm gonna do all the vacuum lines and everything for the waste gates and blow valve and have that situated, and then I'm gonna move on to the fuel system and then figure out how I'm gonna build that tank in the back, and then pretty much get it all situated. So we're getting there. Fitting. That way you can kind of, you kind of see the difference here. Obviously, the difference in material. See, this one came with the kit.
The one on the right or left?
One on the left, and then this obviously vibrant, and this is obviously vibrant fittings. This has Red Horse, which, like I said, I've never really have an issue, but since we sell a bunch of vibrant stuff already, as it is,
Yeah.
and you see the difference. So on the weave.
Oh yeah.
Like I said, not bashing the company. Just I'm so used to using this. Like, you know what I mean? I've never had an issue with vibrant fittings. You know, they all get the job done. You know what I mean? But as far as like the material, the hose, like because they gave us more hose with the kit, and yeah, I mean you can kind of see like I can still sit there and squeeze the shit out of it. You know what I mean? Like nothing. And obviously I already put the cap on that, but you can see you put in a bunch of pressure and it doesn't squeeze, you know. So I'm sure it has more stainless inner lining in it. It makes it stronger, so I just think it's a better product. So.
Alright, don't fuck up.